Have you ever walked into IKEA for just one thing and walked out with a cart full of items you didn't even know you needed? You're not alone. IKEA is a master of retail psychology, and today we're going to uncover how they cleverly design their stores, products, and marketing strategies to make you spend more than you planned. Let's start with the store layout. IKEA's maze-like design isn't an accident. It's a carefully crafted strategy. The winding path forces you to navigate through every department, exposing you to countless products along the way. You can't just pop in and grab that one item. Then there's the power of the showroom. IKEA creates fully furnished spaces that tell a story. That cozy living room setup or that minimalist kitchen isn't just for inspiration. It's a subtle nudge to buy the entire set. You don't just see a couch. You see a lifestyle. And suddenly, that throw pillow or coffee table seems like a must-have to complete the look. But it doesn't stop there. IKEA's pricing strategy is another genius move. They use something called charm pricing, where items are priced just below a round number, like $19.99 instead of $20. It seems trivial, but it tricks your brain into thinking you're getting a better deal. They also strategically place lower-priced items near the checkout. Like candles, plants, or kitchen gadgets, these small, affordable items feel like harmless additions, but they add up quickly. And who can resist the allure of the IKEA marketplace? Let's not forget the food. Yes, the food. IKEA's in-store restaurants and Swedish meatballs aren't just a perk, they're a strategic tool. By offering affordable meals, they keep you in the store longer. The longer you stay, the more you're likely to buy. Plus, the smell of freshly baked cinnamon rolls near. The exit is a final temptation to leave on a high note, often with a sweet treat in hand. Even their product names play a role. IKEA uses Swedish names that are hard to pronounce or remember, which makes you focus more on the product itself rather than comparing prices with competitors. It's a subtle way to keep your attention on what's in front of you. And finally, there's the DIY factor. IKEA's flat-pack furniture saves them money on shipping and storage, but it also creates a sense of accomplishment for you. Building your own furniture makes you feel more connected to it, increasing its perceived value. You're not just buying a table. You're investing in something you've put effort into. So the next time you step into IKEA, remember, every detail from the layout to the lighting is designed to make you spend more. It's not just a store, it's a carefully orchestrated experience. And while you might walk out with more than you planned, you can't deny the brilliance behind it all.